Rather than being a job seeker, you should be a job giver. That's what this country needs. I want to give you an example of Stanford University. You know how many companies Stanford has generated? SUN, the Sun company, right? SUN stands for Stanford University Network. The Sun company was done by alumni of Stanford. Yahoo, Jerry Yang, Yahoo came out of Stanford. Google came out of Stanford. You know, Stanford encourages people to think and come up with ideas. That's the key. Again, I want to emphasize, that's the key where you come up with some brilliant ideas. Now we have TBI with us, the Technology Business Incubator. This is where at the university level, your mind is open so you can discuss with others, learn outside the classroom also, generate ideas and start something on your own.